Antoinette Tos, 4 months pregnant nga ba? Usap-usapan ngayon ang kumakalat na balita. Di umano, 4 months pregnant daw si Antoinette Tos. Matatandaang noong June 2001, mag-boyfriend pa sila ni Dingdong Dantes nang mapabalitang nagdadalang tao si Antoinette. Kasunod nito, kumalat din ang balitang di umano nanganak daw si Antoinette sa Amerika at si Dingdong Dantes raw ang ama. Mariin naman itong idinenay ni Antoinette noon.
Sa dami din ng mga pinagsasabi about me in the past. Parang for me, kahit ano pang sabihin nila, alam ko naman kung anong totoo. Ito ako. So parang hindi na ako naapektuhan masyado ng mga bagay na ganun. So for me, kung pagtrabahuin man kami, paintrigahin kami, edi fine, gumawa sila ng intriga. Kung wala naman akong ginagawang masama or wala rin naman silang ginagawang masama, wala kaming reason na maapektuhan.
Hanggang sa recently lang, isang email ang natanggap pa ng The Buzz na naglalaman ng isang video ni Dingdong Dantes at Antoinette Tos. Sa nasabing video, nagkikiss ang dalawa.
Love me. I love you, baby.
Bakit nga ba naglalabasan ng isyong ito tungkol kay Antoinette? At bakit nga ba kumakalat ang videong ito?
Me, nag-research. Actually, ako yung nilapitan ng balita. Nag-text sa akin si Perry, the manager of Ding Dong, and asked, kasi yung teaser natin, parang sexy video. So, medyo nabahala siya, oh my God, ano yung sexy video na yun? And then I said, halika na. And then he said na luma na yan, they've seen it a long time ago. And sinabi ni Perry na, sabi ko, oh Perry, kailan naganap yung halika na yan? When Antoinette first came back to the Philippines, na
What year?
Hindi nga niya matandaan, mga 5 years ago, 6 years ago daw. Which could be true, right, boy? Kasi
Alright.
2009 tayo, so about 2004?
About 5 years ago?
3, 4,
So ano
ganon.
sabi niya about the buntis issue?
Ay, wala siya. Hindi ko tinanong yon. Yung video lang nga, kasi yun yung why? Pag mabubuntis ba si Antoinette, that means si Ding Dong na yung tatay?
No, well, I
Sobra ka
don't know.
naman.
Ako nakausap ko si Antoinette kanina.
Nag-research din. Go,
Well.
go, go.
Hindi, I spoke to her.
So
and
is she
she's-
pregnant?
She's not pregnant. Sabi
Does she
niya,
have a boyfriend?
she doesn't have a boyfriend. Basta sabi niya, yun nga, the video was a long time ago.
So tama.
Yeah,
Nagtutugma
and
yung
then the
story.
only time that she saw Ding Dong was during her trip last October. They got together, but Ding Dong and her are still friends. October of 2008. So they went out, you know, they had drinks, it was a big group, but not to the extent na mabubuntis na siya. So it's
Okay,
not true.
Rufa.
Okay.
Yeah, sabi
alright.
niya. So now she's on her way to Vegas and she's meeting up with Rufa May Quinto there because she has a
Okay,
show.
they're in the States.
So hindi totoo yung balita na may nangyaring intimate sa kanila.
No, but
ni Ding
we're
Dong.
not answering the question. The question is, bakit lumalabas ang video ito ngayon?
May nag-email.
Oo,
At
sana
saka it's on YouTube na raw.
tigilan na natin yan because they have separate lives and Ding Dong is happy, Antoinette is happy, so...
Nawala daw
Ano bang
kasi yung
intention?
nawala yung phone ni Ding Dong, pinagawa niya sa Green Hills.
Alam mo,
Sabi
honestly,
na,
the moral of the story, wag magpagawa ng phone. Bumili
Moral
na lang
of the
ng bag.
story.
Okay, ang moral of the story, wag na kayong gumawa ng video.
No matter how harmless it is, no? Well, no matter, parang you disagree.
Hindi naman ko kaya, say you love me, say you love me.
Uy, parang ikaw yata may...
You like that? Would you
No, I
decide like...
don't like, Lord. Ay, ako nga yung sinasabi ko, my God, kahit may asawa na tayo, no, manakaw pa yan, baka ano pang, di ba, it can be misconstrued.
Pero it's nice when you say, I love you, babe.
Love you, love you. Ooh, kinabutan ako. Wait, sandali. Ito lang, I'd like to extend my family's gratitude to Ding Dong Dantes because he was the one who volunteered to bench and to do the I Am Ninoy campaign.
Wow.
And that means a lot to us. Thank you, Ding Dong. You're now my friend for life.
Ako naman, because there was a time that Perry was trying to get in touch with me at hindi ko pa nasasabi. Nasasabi lamang yung pangalan ni Ding Dong Dantes po noon nung medyo may kaguluhan dahil naroon sa storya. But I have nothing against the boy. He's a friend and I wish him the best.
May iba naman tayo.
Okay.
Thank you very much to Avon for
Yes.
choosing me to be
That's nice,
the Philippine counterpart of Reese Witherspoon.
Oh,
wow. Ako
Crusade
po yung
against-
spokesperson
yes.
of Crusade Against Violence.
Domestic violence.
Of domestic violence.
Nice
At ito po yung
necklace.
necklace, yung empowerment necklace.
You know
na
what that
suot ni
means?
Reese
Kasi this is
Witherspoon.
being so